Hey folks! Welcome back! Have you heard about golden milk? It stimulates the immune system, reduces fever, and regenerates the liver. Please subscribe my channel for more helpful hints. In the era of pandemics and seasonal flu cases, boosting and strengthening the immune system is a priority. Therefore, it is worth reaching for products that will help us in these activities. Among the necessary specifics is golden milk, which has a beneficial effect on the body thanks to the golden spice, namely turmeric. In addition to supporting the fight against infections, how will golden milk help us? Let's take a look. The joy of drinking golden milk has its roots in Ayurvedic medicine, which fervently reaches for natural products. Now, when taking care of health and the immune system's functioning requires special caution, it is definitely worth drinking this beverage regularly, especially in the pandemic and flu season. Turmeric, the basis of the golden drink, stimulates the immune system in many ways and improves nutrient absorption. Natural medicine enthusiasts emphasize that the royal drink, as golden milk is often called, should be included in the daily diet preventively and in emergencies when the body is already attacked by disease. It supports the fight against various viral infections, helps reduce fever, soothes throat pain, and persistent hoarseness. Therefore, it can safely be considered a natural antibiotic. Much is also said about the beneficial effects of golden milk on the work and regeneration of the liver. It contributes to detoxifying the body, participates in stimulating the digestive system, e.g., preventing constipation and flatulence, and has a soothing effect, e.g., aids in falling asleep. All these benefits can be enhanced by enriching the golden milk recipe with cayenne pepper, ginger, cinnamon, or honey. All of these support the body in the fight against various infections. Preparing golden milk is very simple. You need to have turmeric, 2 to 3 tablespoons, and preferably clarified butter. The effects of golden milk can also be enhanced by the mentioned spices, such as honey, cayenne pepper, or cinnamon, 2 to 3 pinches. In addition, you need half a cup of water. The basis of the golden liquid is turmeric paste. How to prepare it? You need to add turmeric to boiling water and stir regularly while boiling until you achieve a paste-like consistency. If it is too thick, add more water. Finally, place the turmeric paste in a glass container and cool it. For 1 serving of golden milk, you will need a teaspoon of turmeric paste, a glass of milk, and half a teaspoon of clarified butter. Heat the milk, add the turmeric paste, butter, and spice to it. Golden milk can be drunk regularly, during infection even 2 to 3 times a day, at several-hour intervals. It can also be given to children, around 3 to 4 years old, a few times a week. However, as with other specifics, moderation and caution are recommended. Particularly cautious in drinking golden milk should be those with hypertension, gastric ulcers, allergies, and pregnant women. In all these cases, golden milk may cause side effects, such as stomach irritation, shortness of breath, rash, and uterine contractions. If you find this article helpful, share it with your friends. Thank you.